Hi, I'm Don, Easy Storm Panels, and today we're visiting customers who have installed our do-it-yourself screen porch panels. Today we're here with Jackie in the Carolinas, and Jackie, I just want to ask you a few questions about how the process went with dealing with Easy Storm Panels. How did you find us?
I did a Google search looking
Okay.
for, screen porch windows or something like that. Because at first I was going to find out what it is. I was going to have to ask somebody to make windows for me with vinyl.
Oh, okay.
And then I was doing a search and I came across a couple, of course, Easy Breeze and, whatever else. But I went onto your website and I asked for a quote, filled out the thing, asked for a quote, you gave me a quote, you called me. It was a very easy process.
Easy. I like to hear that word. We do a lot of that. And when you got the panels, what shape was the packaging?
It was in perfect condition. It was, and everything was great.
Oh, okay, good. And were you, did we meet your expectations as far as the quality?
Yes,
Vinyl.
absolutely.
How do you use your back room? Actually, this
That's
is
my
your front.
front room.
This is your front screen porch.
Yes,
which is
we
very
sit
attractive.
out here in the evenings and we listen to music and the dogs sit out here and so it helped us use it this winter also because the heater's in here
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
and it was amazing.
Is that right? Just with a couple of spare auxiliary heaters?
Yeah.
Great. So, can I ask you, how did you find the cost versus the value of the product?
Oh, I loved the cost after looking at everything. I mean, the cost for what I got was amazing. I recommend it.
Thank you very much. Well, it's a pleasure that you had us into your home, and I really like all your knicknacks here. It's a warm, friendly place.